Small yard poultry, best breeds for limited space. If you are a poultry farmer and you don't have much space, I know that many complaints when you tell them why are you procrastinating your poultry business. You said I don't have enough space. If you have little space where you can start, let me give you the breed of birds, breed of poultry that needs limited space for you. Because raising chicken in a small yard can be rewarding, but choosing the right breed is very important and crucial. Some chicken breeds adapt well to confined spaces, requiring minimal maintenance and still provide excellent egg and meat production. If you have a limited space, here are the best poultry breed to consider. Start with this particular breed I'm going to give you now. Best poultry breed for small yard, small space. One is silky. I don't know whether you have seen silky. Silky is a beautiful poultry bird. It is also costly and it can give you money. Not everybody will go in for layers and broilers. Silky is another good poultry bird. It's a friendly, small sized breed known for its fluffy feathers and calm nature, making it a great poultry bird for backyard flock. And that is bantam breed. A smaller version of standard chickens that requires less space and still lay egg regularly. The egg is very good. Another one is success. Success is a dual purpose breed that is docile, adapt well to small space, and lay plenty of eggs. Plymouth Rock is another one. Is a hardy breed that is easy to manage and can produce a very good number of eggs also within a short period of time. Lehon is another one. It's a lightweight breed that lays a high number of eggs while consuming less feed. They have high feed conversion ratio. They eat little food and give you massive egg. Astrolop is another one. It's a great layer with a calm temperament, ideal for confined space. They can little space can take them because they are not aggressive type. They don't fight. Another one, Orpiton is another one. Orpiton is a quite friendly breed that thrives in small areas and produce good meat and eggs. They are dual breed. Wenodorf is another one. It's a cold hardy breed with a beautiful appearance and good egg laying ability. For small yard poultry farming, choose the right breed and this will ensure a better productivity and easy management. These breeds are well suited for limited space while providing fresh eggs and meat. Select the best breed that fits your need and enjoy backyard poultry farming as a beginner. If you like this particular content, it's very simple. Give it a thumb up, share this video, and start practicing it immediately. Don't waste time, please. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.